What is up, guys? Welcome back to Diversified Success. You already know, mi casa is your casa, my channel is your channel. I hope everyone's killing it, grinding, making some money. So I've been killing it, on Depop, which is pretty cool, guys. I'm not really killing it. I've only made, I think, 8 or 7 sales on Depop. I'm Depop, but I've been selling some stuff through Facebook, and I mean, not that much, but I'm still flipping at the close. And so right now, what I'm doing, I'm working, guys. I'm grinding. I'm posting. I'm about to post some Maroon 5 concert tour tee on Depop while I drink my coffee. And yeah, guys. And I'm gonna do like a little screen recording so I can show you guys, show you the proof that I'm selling. So I can motivate you guys to maybe sell some shit too, man. It's important to have more than one income stream, stream of income. Just because if you only have one, it's so hard to just live off one, unless you're making bank, unless you're making bank and you're getting paid real good, then maybe you don't need an extra income. Maybe you're saving up to start a business. But if you're fucking broke, you're broke. You only got one, you're working at McDonald's and you're trying to slowly scale up. Guys, start flipping some stuff. Like literally, I go to Goodwill bins. I literally get two whole trash bags full of Goodwill clothes. Literally Goodwill clothes. And I don't know where you're from. I don't know how they do it, but here in Indiana, the Goodwill bins I go to, it's I think it's like $1.20 or $1.19 per pound. Okay, so which means I'm getting each T-shirt. We're talking cents. So you can literally go in there and get like 5 T-shirts for literally cents, man. So it's important, guys, to buy low and sell high. All these gurus over here talking about like, oh, buy my course, you're gonna live. No. They've never sold shit. So I'm telling you guys, this is straight entrepreneurship. Okay, so let me take you to the room real quick. So just show you, I'm loaded, guys. So I got this Dale Earnhardt crew neck. I got this Nike. I'm actually shipping that today. I'll show you guys the Depop thing. And so yeah, this is what I got so far. This is stuff that I need to bleach and wash. And I mean, some of this stuff I might not sell because I might not be able to get the bleach out of some of these things. But I mean, I got all this is hats, all in there. I got some racing hats, some vintage hats. This is just stuff I get at Goodwill that I like to keep just for memorabilia. That's nothing. So yep, got the clothes, got some jeans that I've got posted on there as well. Got some other stuff I've got hangers for, so I got that just chilling there. So I got all this, guys, and sorry about the room, it's a mess. My son be in here with the toys, but it's that easy, guys. It's that easy. You gotta flip this stuff. I mean, it's quick cash. It's quick cash. Now, there is shipping and fees and all that crap, but think about it. If this shirt, this is one of the shirts I got at Goodwill, at the Goodwill bins. If this shirt is costing me 50 cents and I'm selling it for $20 on Depop, Depop takes 10%, so that's nothing. And then plus shipping, you can either have them pay shipping or you can, either way, you're still making you're still making over 100% profit off just that T-shirt you got. And then if you go to Goodwill bins, you got plenty of T-shirts to make money off. So far, so good. I can't. And I'm going hard, guys. I'm going hard. I'm actually using this table right here for the pictures and stuff. But I'll show you guys the screen recording. I'll show you guys a little bit on what's up, guys. But yeah, just a little motivation, just a little quick update on what's going on. We're still grinding, we're still hustling, and hopefully you guys are still hustling as well. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get going, get these pictures taking, and then hopefully you guys like this video. And if you guys want more videos on Depop, I'll make a video on Depop and explain and teach you guys a little bit more on it if that's what you guys want. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be Depop. You can do eBay. You don't even have to be reselling clothes. You can go anywhere and just go to yard sales. It's probably yard sale season's over, but anything you can flip, guys. Anything, and just budget. Always live below your means. Don't overspend. It's always good to have extra cash just chilling, so just so you have something to fall back on, and you're not fucked. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys like the video. Hopefully you guys subscribe. Please subscribe, like, share these videos. Share it to your friends. I'm going to keep posting. I'm going to keep making better videos. I'm going to keep, bringing some knowledge to you guys. I'm going to keep going hard. And I'm trying my best, guys. So I love you guys, and stay humble and stay grinding, guys. All right, so here I go. This is everything I've sold so far. I got 7 or 8 items. I think it's 7 on Depop, but I've sold more, like through Facebook and stuff. But I can't click on it because it will. It's gonna show the address like immediately, and yeah, I just don't want to do that. But I mean, I'm just trying to show you I haven't purchased anything. I've just sold, and this is my whole collection that I got. So it's a fair amount of stuff. Some vintage, some 2000 stuff. And like that hat right there that I just sold, literally posted it and maybe 3 minutes later I sold it, which is cool. And everything I sold, and yep, it's a pretty small collection, not too big. I'm still building it. There's still a few things I gotta post, and it's just basically like Instagram but for clothes, and it's pretty cool, guys. So if you guys wanna sell some clothes, I recommend it. Thank you.